101.
Hey guys, this is 101. Can you help me with my skit really quick?
No, I gotta get some more ice cream.
So, find anybody to help you with your skit?
No, man. Do you have any new ideas?
Actually, I can't help you right now. I'm late. There's an earthquake, a fire, my car broke down, and Megan killed my dog. Just kidding. We have a song for you guys. So this is a repeat after me song.
This is a repeat after me song.
And the do as I do song.
And the do as I do song.
Skip home from school. Skip home from school.
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 And there's mom. And there's dad.
There's mom. There's dad.
And there's brother. And there's sister.
And there's brother. And there's sister.
And there's Herbie. Family pet.
Herbie. Family pet.
And use this big. This big.
This big. This big.
Alright, now we're going to do this all together, and it'll change up a little bit every time. So follow along. Skip home from